Hey guys, so let's see. I'm gonna make some eggs right now. Figured I would pull you out and update you. I wanted to show you what we've gotten done like to the house so far. We've gotten like a lot of stuff packed. You know what? Maybe I'll do that right now. But first, yeah, because I filmed like a little part of me like spackling wall yesterday, and then yeah, like everything is empty. I just messed that up, but like we have to get all that stuff done. And then let's see, this is like all we have left for our cups and glasses. And then this stuff we still have to do. We had like double that now. And then I think this is all good. And then that's like all of our vitamins, and then like drink stuff, and then this is more kitchen stuff. We took out the little thing that was over there. Let's see, this is all in piles now, so that has to be done, and then one more pile, and then all this stuff. Yeah. And then this stuff has to go in the U-Haul, obviously. And yeah. Wanted to pop in and say that really quickly. Right now, I'm just going to make some eggs nice and easy. And then I'm going to I have to sand the wall down that I patched, with a few different holes that I patched. And as you can also, I think I filmed also like of Jared and I taking off the wallpaper in our office, which is just like peel and stick wallpaper. So it's kind of nice to like see how that worked. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so exciting news. We got our keys to our house. I'm currently actually in it. I'm in the garage, in the car. If you can see, there's all of our stuff. And yeah, here's the other side of the garage. I'm gonna run to McDuffie's. I'm not used to it over here. We moved all day yesterday. Let's see, oh, it's bright out. Alright, shut the garage. Clicker. There we go. Shit. Okay. So, here's the deets. So, we got the keys about 2 days ago. I was so meaning to vlog it too. I told myself I was going to vlog it, and then I completely forgot. Everything happened just so fast, and it just slipped my mind. And then moving day was yesterday. We had the U-Haul, and we moved everything. And like I said, I wanted to vlog it, at least get some clips. I knew I was going to be busy, but like I wanted some clips though, and that just didn't happen because we woke up at 6 or 7 in the morning yesterday, and then I made breakfast, and then we U-Haul at 9 a.m. and then we didn't stop moving until like 10 p.m. I think, maybe even 11. So it was a long day yesterday, but it was worth it. Everything is done now. I mean, besides unpacking and stuff, but everything is in the house and in the garage, so that's good. At least there are so many bikers over here. Not a lot. I'm gonna try to get some footage today. Now I am just packing more stuff. Look at this. Packing more stuff. Yeah, my outfit. Sweats. But let's see. Then hopefully today will be the last day here, and we can turn in our keys and be done with it and finish unpacking everything at the new house. So yeah. Why do I have onions? I gotta bring all of these. So we kept the box that are Kate Spade plates, like these polka dot plates came in, and it's gonna be so much easier just to it'll be so much easier just to set them in here like this. in between and move them like that. Because my poor tree is dying. And then I'm soaking all of our fridge stuff that was just getting bad, but. Current situation right now. Then I get my point across, but I just finished basically cleaning every single room in this house, the old house, and I thought I'd show you a little tour of it. I'm talking all over my hand, but yeah, so I thought I'd maybe show you a quick little tour of it really quick, just to add into the vlog. So I'm gonna do it. And right now this is the rest of our stuff that we're moving. If you can see, and then I have to clean this area, and that's the last spot that I have to do. But then if you turn left, this was where we did our family room. It's a pretty good sized family room actually, and it has this really big window, which my plants love. The only like sunlight is that window and then that one, which actually like right now during sunny days is really nice, but when it's like overcast, it's not the best. But anywho, so yeah, we just have this carpeting in here. I still have to vacuum in here as well really quick, but yeah. And we didn't change the paint color. This is just kind of how it came because we kind of knew that we were buying a house within the year of moving into this lease. So yeah, so we kind of kept it the color that it is in most of it. Otherwise we painted it like over there, but I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, when you walk in, and then you go to the family room, more of a view of it from the foyer, whatever. And then yeah, like this is nice because we had a bench right here and you could sit and like have the sunlight on you in the morning. It felt really nice. But yeah, so let's turn this way, and then you go into the dining room kitchen, which is like just a little dinette kind of space, which we had our big table, which was probably a little too big for this space, but it worked. We made it work. And then yeah, that's the big nice light, and it has a screen door which I just had open. It felt so nice. That's what I was just standing in front of. And then our little patio outside. And this house is actually on like 1 acre, so it was really nice in the summertime to just like sit out by that, or if you can see it right there, the little bonfire, and enjoy it. It's a really big clear backyard, and it was also really fun to be able to like lawn mow it. It was really actually calm and relaxing. But yeah, that we have to still weed really quick. We're gonna try to weed because they just grew like literally in the last week. We weeded like a week ago and it was fine, and we like did some yard work over there just to like make sure it was all good for the landlord and everything. But yeah, so then you turn this way and it's just the kitchen, which you've seen in a lot of my videos because this is where I hang out a lot. This is it. Just, you know, this basic wood. So basically that's it for the kitchen. I don't know what else to really say. It's just, we probably could have put little stools there, but we didn't because there wasn't a lot of like room in between the table and that, but that would have been nice. I'm drinking a Monster, which is really bad because I'm not supposed to, because my stomach's really bad with carbonation, but I need some energy. So anyway, then yeah, so that's like the little kitchen thing. It was really cute, and we had little cute things up there at one point. And then yeah, just the fridge held a lot of good snacks, cleaned that. And then the pantry, which was actually a really good sized pantry. We fit a lot of stuff in there. But yeah, so there. And then this is where we kept our mugs and everything in there. And then the dishwasher, which we rarely ever used, we just hand washed. And then under there where we kept the garbage, pans, dinner stuff, like the plates and forks and stuff. Plates and bowls, that's what I meant. But yeah, now I'm gonna take you through the other side of it. And so yeah, this is the foyer. It's a mess right now, but this is literally all that's left in the house. So, and then right when you walk in, you see this, which is the laundry room, which I'll just give you a peek in there. Just looks like that, which is nice that it, you know, the laundry room was right here. It smells good in there. I used Fabuloso. And then just a little, sorry, it's hard, it's a maze to get through, but then just a little storage cabinet right there. Or I guess I should say closet. It's more of a closet. And it housed all of our winter coats. Then here, let me turn the lights on. Oh, I should have turned all the lights on. But yeah, so one of the first things we did when we got in here, we actually painted all of this white. So this was, I think it was like a cream before or a gray. And we just wanted everything white like over here. So that's what we did. It really helped because there's no like windows in this hallway. It really helped brighten it. And yeah. So then, okay, so into the hallway like this, and then you turn left and there's the big bathroom, which is just a double vanity. See how crazy I look. And my lips are so freaking chapped. Ew. I can't even look. Anyway. So anyway, this is a really good sized bathroom and some storage cabinets over here, shower, like that, leaving rolls of toilet paper, and then, yeah, so that's basically it. A lot of storage here. This is housed all of my hair dyeing products, but anyway, I've never done one of these, so excuse me if I'm very jittery. Anyway, so here is, when you go across the hall from there, there's this where I had the guest bedroom, and in the last couple of months it was been my filming room, which was really nice because it's all white. Jared's brother actually used to live here and lived in here, and he painted it white as well, so that was really great. Then just a nice big closet. That was all like that whenever we moved in. See that marked up. But anyway, so now we're gonna go out and then I'll show you my office, which it sucks that you didn't get to see it. I didn't do one of these whenever we had it furnished, but this room did have that wallpaper wall right there, and it's actually this pretty color of gray, like it's like a purpley gray almost, and we didn't mind it, so we kind of kept it. And then this is just some more work stuff, and this is also the last of what we have. It's my inventory closet, which clearly I outgrew because this is just a mess. But this is yeah, what we have to get. Oh my god, that just stresses me out to look at. But then we're gonna go across to the master room, which is actually a really, really good sized master. We really enjoyed having it. And what was nice about this and why we really liked this is because it had like a bathroom attached to it, which was really helpful for obvious reasons. But yeah. So anyway, I'll take you back here. So this is the room. I don't know if you can see how wide it is, but then this is the closet, which was actually a really great size closet, and I was really thankful for that. That was Jared's side and that was mine. And yeah, so let's see here. I'll turn around. Pretty view of the backyard and the little barn. Looks so country-like, but yeah, gorgeous. See if you can see the backyard. It's so pretty. In the sky, I don't know, I just love that view. But yeah, so then you walk to the left and it's the bathroom. So if you walk in, you see the toilet. Best selfie lighting right here. I need to shove this. But yeah. So yeah, that's the toilet. And then one vanity here, which everything is clean, and now but that's streaky, so excuse that. But yeah, so we had like a little, medicine cabinet, cute little light there. And then the shower, which really made me claustrophobic for some reason. I'm not claustrophobic, but that like made me it. But yeah, so that's kind of it for the house. Let me make sure all of these lights are off. I'm kind of just finishing up here for the last of it, but eventually, hopefully soon, I can give you a house tour of our new house, and like do little projects with you on here. So I'm excited for that. And I'm excited to bring my plants to their new home. I think they're gonna love it because there are windows everywhere at our new house, and I think that it'll be great for plants. So yeah, excited for that. But my hands are so dry. I wore gloves, but they're still so dry from cleaning. I don't know. But I have to get going. I'm gonna go. I have a big load of stuff in the car I'll show you, and I'm gonna try to fit as much more of this as I can. I'm gonna hope that I can fit some stuff at least. So yeah. Look. look like a crazy hoarder in this car. Like, actually crazy. Look at my hair. I just can't even bother to fix it either. I'm just sitting here like dead tired like this. And yeah, that's about it. That's the Moving Chronicles. The truth of moving. People are passing me because I'm going so slow. Oops. We gotta go 45. Sorry guys. I've got a lot of crap in here. And I don't want to break it. I have all of like my glassware in here. So yeah. But this Explorer, Ford Explorer, is packed to the brim, and I think we just need like one more full of these and we're done. I think all that stuff in the house will fit in here, I would think. But man, I wish my car had this. I borrowed my stepdad's car. I wish my thing had a position for my phone, because I can just, it's just like I'm just talking to myself while doing this. I am so sorry that you have to look at me like this. I can't even believe that I'm like filming right now. But anyway, I'll talk to you later when I hopefully don't look like this. In front of the trunk. Hey guys, okay, so I'm in the new house. You can see the whole literal mess. It's just a mess. But I'll show you more of it in like the next videos. But I wanted to get this up really quick, just like the actual moving part I wanted to get up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for some more like moving in vlogs instead of like moving out. So yeah, I'm excited for this part even more so. So yeah, I'll show you my plans though really quick, a sneak peek into the new house. They're loving it. So yeah, I will talk to you next time, and like I said, thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye guys.